sir.
So many days have gone since meeting you. 20 days minimum?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
कम से कम 20 दिन होगा. Right. You are going for scale 4 interview. On which
Yes, sir.
date? On which date?
Sir, it has been scheduled on 4th, sir.
Good. Now, did you watch the video of some of the people who have attended scale 4 mock interview with me? Did you watch that?
No, I didn't have the time actually. Few days I've been struggling actually.
Oh, और regional office में भी काम ज्यादा होता है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. कुछ ज़्यादा है, sir. Actually,
हाँ.
now they have given me like whichever department anyone is absent, they are going to put me over there. So initially I was there in marketing, then I moved to advances,
Hmm.
and then sometimes ARD, and this is how I am moving around in the regional office.
No, but in the real interview, when you go for C.B.I,
Yeah.
don't tell like this. Tell at least one place where you are sitting
No,
today.
yeah. I'm not going to tell them about this. I'm definitely going to talk more about marketing where I am comfortable.
Yeah,
And
you tell you are
yeah.
into marketing. ऐसा बोल दो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. We'll start.
Yeah.
Started already. Acha, Mr. Gaurav Sharan.
Yes, sir.
You are in scale 2 of Indian Overseas Bank,
Yes, sir.
but you are now desirous of coming to scale 4 in our Central Bank of India. No doubt
Yeah.
we are willing to take you, but
Yeah.
then tell us what makes you feel that you are suitable for this post.
Sir, I have got 9 years of experience in banking, and that too, my major of the exposure is into credit as well as into branch handling. So far as the job profile as advertised is 7 years, minimum 7 years in banking, and I have already having a 9 years of banking, especially into credit. So I think that I am fulfilling all the eligibility criteria for the position. Apart from that, I have got other I have upgraded myself into another education qualification. Like I have acquired CAIAB, then I have acquired certificate in credit professional, certificate in MSME. Then I have been awarded as professional banker, certificate in credit.
Good. Have you studied something related to, say, mutual fund canvassing and all that?
Sir, actually, we are not much into mutual fund. Recently, only we have got tie-up with a mutual fund product. So I have a little bit knowledge about mutual fund, but I have not dealt with it.
Very good, no problem. What is your basic degree?
Sir, my basic degree is Bachelor of Arts in Sociology. Apart from that, I have acquired Bachelor of Engineering in Industrial Engineering.
वो कैसे होगा? आफ्टर दिस बैचलर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग क्या 3
Uh,
साल आपने सोशियोलॉजी पढ़ने के बाद में और 3 साल पढ़ा है ना क्या?
Sir, actually, Bachelor of Industrial Engineering is from distance education. It is from Triple IE, Indian Institution of Industrial Engineering in Navi Mumbai.
अच्छा, is it a 1 year degree or how many years?
No, it's actually not a year-based degree. It is actually more about papers. So actually, it took me around 4.5 years to clear all the papers in this examination.
That's okay, fine. Why did you study that industrial engineering?
Sir, I have a zeal to learn everything. So while working with an industrial firm, my zeal got activated to know more about industrial product. So whenever I was having industrial training, that time itself, I have decided that okay, I will go with more instrument in my job, and got it completed. It helped me a lot in understanding the product and marketing it in the company.
Okay, good. Now, you have been into branch for many number of years.
Yes, sir.
What is concurrent audit?
Sir, concurrent audit is a type of audit, periodic audit. Generally, it is happening on the monthly basis where all the sanctions are put on under audit. The, apart from sanctions, the general routine of the branches is also being audited by the auditor.
Mhm. Do you think
So,
concurrent audit is helpful for bank?
yes, it is. It is quite vital for the bank since it finds out the deficiency and it suggests the remedies to resolve the issue. So it helps the branch in long run.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Tell me. Yeah. Yeah. You come around as whenever you possible. You come. We will talk. No problem. No problem. You come to Zoom. You come to Zoom. You have the ID with you? Okay. I will send it. Thank you. Oh, this is another scale 3 officer for Indian Bank credit officer. He says just now he is returning from office. उनका
Oh,
समय था 7:50. अभी what is the
okay.
time in India?
Sir, 8-5.
तो समय maybe he is getting delayed. No problem. No
Yeah,
problem.
yeah.
Yeah,
So
just
we were talking about the concurrent audit, sir.
concurrent audit. I don't know
Yeah.
why I went to that topic, but still, you tell me.
So it is a systematic actually inspection of financial transactions on a regular basis. Like concurrent auditor, whenever they are coming, like in our case, it is they are coming on monthly basis. So in that case, they are coming and ensuring that all the like authenticity is there, or the compliance part is there, all the inspection part is there. Then post inspections, everything is in the place. So this
Okay.
helps the branch in having a check on the compliance part. Even in some cases, they find out the deficiencies in the papers, like something is missing, like signature or stamp. So they are advising accordingly.
Good. That's the right point. Now, please tell me what is statutory audit and non-statutory audit.
Sir, statutory audit and statutory audit are mandatory audits. Like it is required for the review of the accuracy of the company balance sheets.
Correct. Can you explain about priority sector advances?
Sir, like government of India has got certain priority uh, in order to develop the country. So they have identified certain sector as a priority sector in India. So sectors like MSME, agriculture, then lending to distressed farmer have been selected as then housing loans. This has been selected under priority sector lending.
Okay,
So
one mistake you did. One mistake you
yes,
did was
yes, sir.
giving loan to distressed farmers. Who said distressed farmers? Regular farming itself is to be encouraged. Agriculture.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is there. I said as a part of this.
No, no.
There
Why?
are
No,
there. Yeah.
why did you bring that extra word distress farmer? That is a negative point.
Okay,
And
fine, sir.
and
Fine, sir.
and and your answer was not complete in that.
Yeah. No, I'm going to explain. Actually, I was going to explain.
Yeah.
So it includes following categories. First is agriculture, then MSME, export credit, education, housing, social infrastructure, renewable energy, then startups.
And also self-help group and all that. That's the
Yes, sir.
point.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Excellent. The
Then based upon the priorities, RBI guidelines are there for scheduled commercial banks, like 40% of the total NBFC should go to priority sector lending.
So what is your knowledge regarding NABARD?
NABARD is a institutions that regulates the one of the priority sector priorities of government of India, that is development of agriculture
Mhm.
and ancillary activities.
Acha. Which sector financing is nowadays lucrative in financing? I don't know
Sir,
what is the answer we can give for this. Did you come
sir,
across this question or not?
no, I have not come across, but yes, MSME is one of the lucrative this one sector, because not only it is helping India to grow its economy, but it is also providing employment. So
Hmm.
government has got a huge priority for the MSME. The government is running a lot of programs for the MSME and other sectors like agriculture. So I believe MSME and the this one agriculture are the core lucrative areas for any bank.
Now, which sectors are profitable companies in India now, roughly?
Sir, sectors profitably, sir.
Or profit? Which companies are profitably listed companies?
Sir, profitably, a lot of companies are profitably listed companies like Tata's are there, sir. Then
Okay,
Hero Honda is there. Then even banks, now banks are also profitable companies.
okay.
Yes, sir.
No, I find here
Yes, sir.
Reliance Industries.
Yes, sir.
Then there is one Equitable Bank. Then TCS, Tata Consultancy,
No,
uh,
by share
HDFC
price,
Bank,
do you
HDFC
mean by,
Bank.
yeah,
No, no,
yeah, yeah.
I am giving it in our CBI page में दे देता है. This question, I don't know why it came to my eyes. I am giving that in our WhatsApp group.
No, if you talk about the blue chip companies, then it is Reliance India Limited, Infosys, TCS, Hindustan Unilever, ITC, and then
Correct.
Angel One, HDFC. Lot of other companies are there.
That is the answer I expected. That is the
Yeah,
answer.
yeah.
That is the answer I was expecting from you. Good. Now, um, what do you understand? How would you explain the loan process to a new client? You need not explain because you are going to be in scale 4.
Yes,
You
sir.
will be having your people working under you.
Yes,
And
sir.
after discussion with, say, your people, and if they come in and they talk to you, what are the important points you will be looking into before deciding about giving finance to the borrower?
Sir, for giving finance to any borrower, 4C is required. So
Okay.
that is very vital. 4C of credit is very vital. So
Mm.
4C that we can categorize as capacity of the borrower, then capital of the borrower, collateral of the borrower, and credit need of the borrower. If
Mm.
four things are like assessed clearly, then it becomes very easy.
Good. As a branch manager or as an officer, what has been greatest success of Mr. Sharan?
Sir, I am very lucky enough to get acknowledged for my contribution in my current employment. So, like, if starting from the first, when I joined IOB, I was given a portfolio of like 65 CR of
Mm.
advances.
Mm.
So, I started my career with a 65 CR project in
Mm.
Mysore. Later to that, I started working in a branch where I was given responsibility of developing retail advances. So I was
Mm.
very successful in bringing a agreement, tie-up agreements with the automobile dealers,
Mm.
real estate developers,
Mm.
and through that I had sourced nearly 100 vehicle loans in a single year and around 35 housing loans in a single year.
How would you stay up to date with financial laws and changing industry procedures?
Sir, I do upgrade my education knowledge through getting a new certification from IABF, so that I should be very upfront with the upcoming changes in the financial industry. So recently only I have completed a certificate in a strategic management in banking sector.
What is that?
So it's a new course, sir.
What did you learn in that? Tell me in 1 minute.
Sir, it talks more about making a strategy how to cope up with changing banking scenario. So this subject talks about those things, sir. What are the factors? What are the strategies to be like look upon?
How banking scenario is changing? What is the changes that is happening in your view?
Sir, a lot of things are happening nowadays. Now more thrust is on digital part. So earlier, the banks were having fixed bricks motor, this one type business, but now it is going like digital. There is no presence of physical bank. Customers are able to open account online. They are able to transact online without going to the bank. They can transfer the amount from one account to another account. So this is the new changes that is happening in recent time.
How
Also in future, new
what is
technologies with the AI.
what is artificial intelligence? In
Yeah,
what
that's
way
what
is it going
yeah,
to be
yeah,
useful for us?
yeah. That's what I was referring actually. Now, in some of the banks are started using AI also for giving customer services. Now kiosks are being deployed instead of branches. Banks are deploying kiosks where people can go there, can discuss their requirement with the artificially intelligent enabled robots, and they will get their query resolved over there. Any such leads which will be developed by them will be forwarded through email to the respective person to look upon.
In IOB,
Yes, sir.
in what way artificial intelligence is used?
Sir, there is a lot of things in IO. We have started with artificial intelligence. Like we have come up with kiosk where passbook kiosk is available there. No need to go to the branches. People can go there, can get their passbook updated. Then product inquiry can be done at those kiosks. Apart from that, now ATM. ATM is also like AI. No need to go to the teller and take the amount. You can go there, you can deposit the cash or you can withdraw the cash. It all are the technology advancement. Apart from that, now accounts are being opened online in IOB as well. You just need to give your all details, data, everything. Everything will be captured. Like your location will be captured, your photo will be captured, your signature will be captured, and then our account will be opened instantly. No need to go to the branch and get your OVDs verified and all.
So I think you can also mention about, do you have online loan processing?
Yes, sir. We do have online loan processing as well. Like for certain products only. Like now, we have come up with the automatic demand loan against deposit product,
So mention
where a
that.
customer having deposits, they can open a loan against deposit online itself. No need to go to the branches. And the maturity of the maximum maturity of the loan will be the maximum maturity of the deposit.
Not only that, are there not any personal loans automatically granted? No.
Not yet. Now, those things are being actually look upon, and very soon they will be coming up with. Now, IOB is coming they are going to offer it over SMS. People who are having a salary accounts, how much they will be getting income based upon that only. A message will be triggered, but they have to come to the branches and get it done.
Now, can you
But
tell
in
me
future, yes, this can be a future.
who is Janaki Raman?
Janaki Raman. Uh,
काग
Janaki Raman.
कागज पढ़ना है, बिना कागज पढ़ने से कैसे काम चलेगा? न्यू डेप्यूटी गवर्नर अपॉइंटेड फॉर आरबीआई.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
New deputy governor appointed for RBI. What is the name of the executive director recently appointed in RBI?
I'm, I'll update myself, sir.
It is Miss, what is her
Neeraj
name?
Nigam, is this
Correct.
Mr. Neeraj
Correct.
Nigam? Yes.
Neeraj Nigam. Correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Very,
yes.
very good. Best wishes. You are
Yeah,
answering
thank you, sir.
very, you are answering very, very well.
Yes, sir.
Out of 10, 8.5.
Thank you. Sir, just wanted to know that, you spoke about that being in scale 2 and I am going for
Ah,
scale 4 position. So
yeah.
whether my answer was appropriate, I should improvise anything over that, sir?
No, but it all depends on their own perception about you,
Yeah.
the way they look at you. You're sitting, you're standing, you're smiling. All these things
Uh,
matter a lot. Abhi,
Actually,
that way this interview is defective. I can't judge people because your marks are decided based on the way you look, present yourself. That way this interview is slightly defective, doesn't matter. So
yes, sir.
आप अच्छा से जाइए, स्माइल करके
Yes.
जाइएगा,
Yes, sir.
गुड वेरी गुड ड्रेस करके जाइएगा,
Yes, sir.
and I think there should not be any problem.
Sir, although it's very hot in Madurai, should I go with a coat, tie, and like all this, sir?
Or at least full arm shirt with tie.
Okay, fine, sir.
That will do, because Tamil Nadu, we don't like. Sorry, you are going to be in Bangalore, na, or Tamil Nadu? Chennai.
Sir, Madurai, sir.
Madurai only, same place. Oh God.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm
Great,
very
great.
fortunate enough to get everything here.
In same place. Lord Meenakshi should help you. God bless
Yes,
you.
yes, sir. Yes.
Don't worry. Best this
Yeah,
round you will
yeah.
clear. This round you will certainly clear. Next
Fine,
round
sir.
में क्या करेगा वो तो देखना पड़ेगा.
Yes.
Thank you. And
Fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
if time permits, I will put a
Yes, sir.
notice in Central Bank site, Central Bank,
Fine, sir.
not site, Central Bank web, WhatsApp page
Group.
for
Yes,
a
sir.
meeting at tomorrow, because sometime I think my tour program is slightly altered to suit morning classes. For me,
Fine, sir.
morning classes. So if possible, I will announce beforehand. You also
Fine.
come, and it will
Sure,
be
sir.
only people sharing experiences, asking questions to others, and
Sure,
sharing
sir.
what they have read recently, which they consider very important.
Sure, sir.
So I will post it, or I will tell the time and also post it so that people can come.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Very good. Gaurav, Sharan, yeah.